Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Shopify clothing store. First, you'll want to pick a memorable name for your shop and create your Shopify account. Then, choose a pricing plan that fits your budget. Options typically start around $9 per month. After that, dive into customizing your store's appearance. Select a theme that truly represents your brand style and makes your clothing stand out. This initial setup is crucial for building a strong foundation for your online business. Now that your store's foundation is set, it's time to add your amazing clothing products. Make sure to upload clear, high-resolution images that showcase your items beautifully. Write compelling descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Next, organize your apparel into logical collections, such as dresses, t-shirts, or outerwear, making it easy for customers to browse. Finally, accurately set your inventory levels and competitive pricing for every single piece. With your products ready, let's tackle shipping and payments. You'll need to configure shipping zones and rates, deciding whether to offer free shipping, flat rates, or calculated rates for both local and global customers. Then, integrate reliable payment gateways like Shopify Payments or PayPal to ensure secure transactions. Don't forget to accurately set up your tax settings based on your business's location to comply with local regulations. These steps are vital for a smooth customer experience. You're almost ready to launch your fantastic clothing store. Before going live, thoroughly review all your settings and, importantly, conduct a test purchase to ensure everything works perfectly. Once you're confident, hit that launch button. Start promoting your brand through engaging social media campaigns and targeted email marketing to attract your first customers. Remember to continuously analyze your sales data to understand what's working and refine your strategies for ongoing success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.